Meaning of impunity.
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 Impunity. Impunity refers to the lack of punishment or consequence for wrongdoing. When someone is able to act without fear of retribution, they are said to be doing so with impunity. This can have negative consequences for society, as it can lead to a lack of accountability and a breakdown in the rule of law. For example, corrupt officials who are able to operate with impunity can undermine public trust in government institutions. Overall, impunity is seen as a harmful phenomenon that undermines justice and accountability in society.